Now, let's discuss the limitations. Uh, First limitation of his periodic tables was that the position of hydrogen was not explained properly. So, let's write that position of hydrogen. Now, the question comes to our mind कि why the position of hydrogen was not explained. Students, this hydrogen element it resembles both alkali matters as well as halogens. Now we will see how it resembles first with the alkali matters, then we will see its resemblance with the halogens. First, with the alkali metals. Students, the metals which forms alkali on dissolving in water. Alkali, the soluble basis. Okay, so the metals which are soluble in water, they are forming the alkalis. These alkali metals, whenever they forms the compounds with oxygen, halogens, halides or the sulfides, they forms the formula, they form a compound with the formula, and hydrogen was also combining with these elements and was also giving the same formula. Let's write those formulas. This is I'm writing for hydrogen, and here I had written the alkali metals. Now I had taken the alkali metal Na. When it combines with chloride, it forms the compound with the formula NaCl. Similarly, hydrogen also forms HCl. When it combines with oxygen, it forms an oxide with the formula Na2O, sodium oxide. Same hydrogen does, it also forms H2O. And when it combines with sulfur, it forms Na2S, sodium sulfide. Same hydrogen is also forming H2S, hydrogen sulfide gas. And when it was compared with the halogens, स्टूडेंट्स हैलोजेंस क्या होते हैं द एलिमेंट्स विच आर मेकिंग द सॉल्ट मेकिंग एलिमेंट्स दे आर कॉल्ड एज हैलोजेंस फ्लोरीन chlorine, bromine, and iodine. All four of them are called as halogens. Now, halogens का जैसे diatomic होते हैं, like उनकी atomicity 2 होती है, hydrogen is also a diatomic molecule. So here we will write atomicity कितनी है हमारी यहाँ पे 2. Okay, so as the formula of halogen, suppose आप फ्लोरीन का फॉर्मूला लिखते हो, then it is F2, chlorine Cl2, bromine Br2, iodine I2. So same hydrogen is a molecule, hydrogen molecule is written in the form of H2. The atomicity it is 2. And second resemblance is that like these halogens when they combines with other non-metals they form the compounds with the formula. Same hydrogen is also combining with the other non-metals and the forming the compound with the same formula, and they are having the covalent nature. This halogen, suppose we are taking the Cl. When it combines with carbon, it forms a compound carbon tetrachloride. When it combines with silicon, then it forms a silicon tetrachloride. Now, hydrogen also forms the same type of compound CH4 and SiH4, and both of them they are a covalent in nature. What we are saying कि ये जो compounds बनाते हैं ये कैसे होते हैं हमारे covalent nature के होते हैं. Students, we had already discussed about the covalent bonds and the covalent compounds in the 4th chapter. You must be you must have understood that, and you must have remembered कि what are the covalent compounds, the bonds which are formed by the sharing of electron pairs, and the compounds formed by sharing of electron pairs they are called as covalent compounds. Now we will move on to the next one. What is the next drawback? Position of isotopes. Now, you very well know that isotopes are the elements having the same atomic number but different mass number. For example, if I write over here carbon 12 and carbon 14, both of them are having the same atomic number, that is 6, but the mass number it is different. One is having 12, another one is having 14. Now if his periodic table was arranged on the basis of the atomic mass, then the two isotopes of the carbon should get two place in his periodic table, but he has assigned only one, so there was no reason. He was not able to say ki why I am not giving them separate place. Like oxygen is also having three isotopes, hydrogen is also having three isotopes, that is ordinary hydrogen, protium and deuterium. So the position of isotope was a big question mark in his periodic table. Okay, third one is anomalous position. As we had already discussed, anomalous position of some elements. Some elements I had already given you one example of cobalt and nickel. Cobalt और nickel में अभी हमने देखा था the one which was having higher atomic mass it was placed earlier. So we will write that example over here. Anomalous means contradictory. Anomalous position of some elements cobalt and nickel though having the higher atomic mass placed earlier. So this was, though it was correct, so we have considered it as an advantage, but why he has placed no reason, proper reason, so we are taking it as a limitation. Okay, now when we are talking about the next limitation, irregularity in the increase in the atomic mass. Irregularity in the increase in atomic mass. Students, in moving from one element to another, there is no regular pattern in the increase in the atomic mass. So one cannot predict that how many elements can be discovered in between the two elements. So there was no regularity, and this irregularity was even higher in the case of heavier elements. Now, the next limitation it was that dissimilar elements they were placed in the same groups. Like he has divided one group in two subgroups, and these elements of these two subgroups they were having no relation at all, but still he has placed them. I will give you one example. So first I will write down the language what we will write over here, students. No correlation, no correlation in the subgroups. No correlation in the subgroups. Okay, like हमारा जो first A था students, first A and first B. We remember that in the first A group, in the Mendeleev periodic table, there were elements like this. ठीक है, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, 6 periods थे. And in the first B group we were having copper, Ag and Au. Now these elements, the first A group elements were having no similarity with this first B elements, but still they were placed close to each other. Okay, so this was one of his drawback. Now the next one it is the different groups were placed apart. Different groups were placed, different groups for similar elements. Now जो similar elements थे they were placed in different groups. If we take the example over here, 2A and 2B. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे 2B के अंदर स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे इसने रखा था जिंक, कैडमियम एंड मर्करी. Now, this copper resembles with mercury, but they were placed separately. So, okay, so he was not able to say, I mean, he was not having a proper reason for all these drawbacks कि इनको पास पास क्यों रखा है, and why this second B group in which mercury it is resembling with copper, why it was placed apart. So there was no proper reason. And the last one, it is the cause of periodicity. Periodicity means why after a periodic, I means regular interval, there is a repetition in the properties. That means he was not able to explain कि in a group why there is a repetition in the properties, why the elements of the same group they are having the same properties. He was not having a satisfactory reason. And students, all these drawbacks, they were answered by Henry Moseley in his modern periodic table. So in the next class we will study the modern periodic table given by Henry Moseley. Till then, keep preparing the topic Mendel's periodic